Yeah, that was Dr. Troy. Been up all night messing with this thing. Still got the film on the carbon fiber. But in the process of looking for tools, I came across a 4x4 sheet of stainless steel in the shop. Anybody that's worked with that stuff know it's a pain in the butt. Period. Don't look too bad. Gotta get it primed and painted. I might just leave it stainless, but it's gotta get an epoxy job and scratch the hell up out of the tubing, but I don't know, I kinda like that look. Makes it look like it's being driven, you know. I had to get her all cleaned up one time and then take a picture of it before I destroy it. But I taped that down, I did. Just waiting on that motor plate. I took the shocks off and the sway bar. What am I doing? What am I hooked on? Let me put this down. Took the shocks off and moved them, and tightened up the sway bar. I actually reversed the lower links. They were not quite correct, but they are now. And I gotta get some more bushings for the shocks and change the shock cap setup. Take the fake reservoirs off. New shocks have real reservoirs on them. I'm gonna do this puppy up. The motor plate is still, I don't know, I guess 5-6 days out. It left Seattle yesterday. So, and the transmission is also on the way. Miss Italian, everybody's got their batteries in. That construction site is underway. They got some really nice graded areas. I'm going out there this morning in about an hour and give me some breakfast and take my meds and put on my prosthetics so I can hobble with class. Yeah, I'm gonna take take all three of them, Italian, shredder, and that beast up there. Still ain't gonna run it on 8S. I just, you know, I tried 6S yesterday and it just ain't no cooperating. Oh, the tires are at the post track. It says they're at the post office in town. So I'll have the new tires Monday. So I need to go ahead and bake these, get them all stripped down. But I got a little something to show you. The wheelie bar tires. How you like that? How's that for a tire job? Lady came by last night, dropped these off. I almost died. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm scared to put these on a truck. Maybe we want to put this, you know what I'm saying? Put a chain on this, wear it around my neck. I can't imagine how long it took her to create this. But she's gonna do a set of wheels for each clear body. So this stuff's gonna be like the bomb. That is just too cold for words. I don't know if you guys can get the full effect of this on GoPro, but here's what it is. But yeah, this puppy here, I can't wait. I got 10 million scratches cutting this sheet metal. Carbon fiber wasn't so bad to work with, but this stainless steel, that stuff is rough business. I put the Gorilla tape on the edges till I get the epoxy and get them smoothed out. But this is basically the look. I did have the I had the hood the first cut on the other video. You can see it's up over here where I was working, but I like this one better. I looked at some stuff online, and that's how she gonna be. Gotta make some type of wheel well in there because I don't want everything running inside the truck. And I gotta get that tub for the interior. Got a long way to go, but I'm digging it. My idea of a build. The rest of them, they just different sizes. They all alike. They don't have any detail to them that makes them special. This is like working on a real car, except you can put it on tape instead of have to crawl under it. I like it. I love it. I'm gonna start line. I love this mess. Anyway, let me go get me some Brika Fast. Go up here and do my little imitation bash with my imitation bash itself, and come back and crash, because I've been up all night doing this. It was actually exciting trying to figure out what it was going to look like when it was done. It's the Lord's Day, so happy Sabbath. Yate Osiyo Esiyo Ichikimi for the people out there. Yo, soldier. And simplify. Hoorah. All my veteran brothers out there. Y'all who happen to cross these videos, you guys might want to try RC, because I think that there'll be something in it. I mean, 'cause for me, you know, I'm a flyer, but it's winter time and ain't nothing around here to fly and go see, so messing with these cars is great. Y'all might like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna pack up, get a fresh cup of coffee, go do some dirt, and I'll check in later, because I know y'all was out bashing all them new Italians, and see what y'all upload when I get back. Mr. Phil in the pit. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day. See you later. Bye.